Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a 1956 Chevrolet two-door sedan. Now, this beautiful car is rotisserie restored. Every nut and bolt has been replaced on this car. This car is probably one of the best ones I've ever seen. And the paint, the body, the interior, the chrome trim, the stainless, the bright work, the chrome bumpers. This car just leaves me speechless. It's such a beautiful car. Everything works in this car just like it's supposed to. I'll go through a few details on this car for you. The body and chassis were blasted, and all components were done in single stage DuPont Chrome Premier, blasted areas of door shells, deck lid, and small parts, and 220 metal prepped materials used. I'm reading this off this paper. This guy, man, he really went to extreme details to tell you about this car, which is great because a lot of times you don't get details like this on a car. The engine is a 1973 350 engine, 010 numbered, 4-bolt main block, deck plated and honed, 30 over, tanked and standard block prepped with new brass plugs, etc. Forged TRW pistons, Eagle rods, Felpro gaskets, Cleveite bearings, 327-10 over crank and balance assembly, SFI balancer. The list goes on and on. Comp cams, 470 lift, hydraulic with roller tip rockers. This thing's just gorgeous. 308 gears, open carrier, restored completely factory stock and original housing, all new Timken bearings and seals, new yoke, new U-joints, lowering springs, new shocks, new Gen 5 vintage air setup, new chrome SD7 compressor, interior stock look Cinderella interior for 56 Bel Air sedan. Originally very nice condition, seats recovered with new foam, front seats, back seats are original. All hardware was clean, straightened, and painted correctly, original gray before reassembling. Wow. There's more and more and more. The glass is gorgeous on this car. The interior is beautiful. The carpet is super nice. This is probably, like I say, probably one of the nicest Tri-5 Chevys I've seen in here. The package tray, the rear panels, the rear seat. Look at the door jambs. This isn't a cheap car. Just remember that cheap things aren't good and good things aren't cheap, huh? Janity. Steel wheels, caps and rings, wide whites. This thing is, to me, I wouldn't change anything about it. I think it's beautiful. There's the engine compartment, just like the rest of the car. Serpentine pulleys, steering, brakes, air, front disc, rear drum, Griffin aluminum radiator, and there is no problem showing the bottom of this car. There'll be pictures on my website of the undercarriage of this car, red epoxy primered underneath. Everything is new. I think that odometer says 2,900 miles. Good Guys award winner. Heartland Nationals, Memory Lane. Best Memory Lane car. And nice thing about this car too is this key does the ignition, the trunk, and the door locks. So that's very nice. I'll start this car up for you here in a second. If you're looking for one of the best Tri-5 56, I should say Tri-5, whatever, Tri-5s or 56 in the country, give us a call. This car isn't going to be 150 grand. It probably should be, but it's not. Oh, 8,200 miles. I don't know why I thought 2,900. It must have been a different car today. Wipers work. Gauges work. Radio works. Glove box light works. Left turn, right turn. LED tail lights, license plate lights, turn signal. Air blows cold, electric cooling fans, and there's no secrets here, folks. There's no surprises with this car. The paint is as good as it looks. Got the upgraded LED headlights in it. Man, what a beautiful car. I'm not driving this car down the road today. The car, it speaks for itself. It runs and drives fabulous. I drove the car yesterday when it got here. The roads are wet today though, and I'm not going to chance it. I'm not driving this car down the highway today. So. Just a moment of silence there so you guys could admire this car. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Look us up on our website, www.kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com. And, you know, we buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful 56 Chevy, or maybe one of the other ones we have in stock. We have 2 or 3 other 56s in stock. I got a very nice 56 two-door hardtop, and I got a really nice, another nice turquoise and white 56 two-door sedan as well. So we try to stock something for everyone. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality car. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching my video today. See ya.